Would you pay $300,000 for a house that's designed to rot? It sounds unbelievable, but this is the reality of many new homes being built across America today. On the outside, everything looks perfect. Clean walls, shiny floors, modern design, it feels like a dream home. But behind those walls, there's a hidden truth most buyers never see. These homes are often built using something called builder-grade materials. And while that sounds professional, it actually means the cheapest materials builders can legally use. Why? Because the goal isn't to build a home that lasts 50 years, the goal is to build it as fast and as cheaply as possible. At first, you won't notice anything. Everything looks brand new. Everything feels perfect. But then problems start to appear. Maybe it's a small crack in the wall. Maybe it's a leak in the ceiling. Maybe it's moisture building up where it shouldn't be. And slowly that's where the rot begins. Within just a few years, homeowners start facing expensive repairs. Things that should last decades begin failing early. And the worst part? Many of these issues aren't covered the way you expect. Now compare that to older homes. Houses built 30, 40, even 50 years ago are still standing strong today. Why? Because back then, builders focused on durability. At first, you won't notice anything. Everything looks brand new, everything feels perfect. But then problems start to appear. Materials were thicker, construction was slower, and quality actually mattered. Today, everything has changed. Speed is the priority, profit is the goal. Entire neighborhoods are built in months, not years. And while that's great for supply, it often comes at the cost of quality. So what can you do? If you're thinking about buying a new home, don't just trust how it looks. Get a professional inspection. Check the materials. Ask questions about construction quality, because a house isn't just a purchase, it's one of the biggest investments of your life. And the last thing you want is to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on something that's quietly falling apart. So before you buy your dream home, make sure it's not built to fail. Why? Because back then, builders focused on durability.